Good morning, grade 2. How are you, dear? I hope everything is fine. Today is Tuesday, 31st of March 2020. We will continue with math. You remember last time we studied how to measure things by grams and kilograms. Now here we have some exercises in our workbook, so let's do some of them together and the rest you can do them as homework. Page 132. Measuring mass in grams and in kilograms. Write the mass of each object in the blank. Now you remember that we said this measuring scale, if we have G, it means that we are measuring in gram. If it has kg, it means we are measuring in kilogram. Let's see how much does this weigh. It is pointing to 450, so it is 450 grams. We write 450 grams. Let's write it here. Here we have 400 gram, this gift or this box. Let's continue with these. Now, as you see here, we have 100 and then we have these small, tiny little lines. It means that we have 110, 20, 30, 40, and this is 50. Each line equals 10 grams. Each line equals 10 grams. So this is 110 and another 10, it will be 120 grams. What about this now? It's before the 450 with 10, so it is 440. Let's count from here. 400, 410, 420, 430, 440. 440 grams. What about the basket of eggs? Now let's see here, 350. Another 10 will make it 360. 360 gram. What about this can? Now here we have 150, 160, 170, 180. 180 gram. Now, as you see the difference, here we have kg. Now, in that scale, we have G only. So here we have kg. Remember this. Let's see. How many kg do we have here? This is 4 kg. This is 5 kg. Do you remember how much 1 kg equals? How many gram? It actually equals, let me show you. So this is 0 and this is 1. How many grams do we have here? 500, and these are 500 too. So now each line here equals 100 gram. Okay? Each line here, small line, equals 100 gram. So here we have 10. It means that 1000. So each kg equals 1000 gram. Okay, let's have a look at this. I think this is pumpkins. It's a 3 kg. We write 3 kg. We will continue with the pineapple 1, with the watermelon 6. Go to the next page. Now, draw an arrow on the weighing scale to show the mass of the object, of each object. Now we have the measurement. We need to draw the arrow, okay? The hand here, that one, the arrow. Let's see. Now here it is 80 gram. 80 gram is before 100, right? And it is after 50. So let's count 50, 60, 70, 80. I have to stop here and I draw this arrow here. Okay? Let's see this. 60. Here we have 50. Let's count. Remember, in the gram, the small lines equal 10. Okay? In kilogram, the small numbers equal 100. The small lines. Now here we have 60. So it is after 50. Count another 10, 50, 60. So I have to stop here. Let me take it here. Okay. You will do this 260. Now this is 250. Another 10, 260. I will leave this for you. This is a 300. You will continue here with kg, okay? I will do the first one just for you. This is 4 kg. Where is it? Here it is. Okay, so this is 4 kg. I'm sorry for the lines. Now look at the mass of each object. Write gram or kilogram to show the correct unit of mass. Now, what do you think? With laptop, is it G or kg? It's kg. With bike, it's also kg. With glasses, yep, it's a gram. And you continue with these, okay? You have the number, of course, 280. It can't be 280 kg. This is very small, okay? And this is 2 grams. You continue this, please. I don't want this page. Let's do this page 139. Write 5 sentences to describe the masses of some of the objects below. Write whether each object is greater than 1 kg or less than 1 kg. Greater or less. Let's see the example. The mass of the marble is less than 1 kg. This is marble. Let me see the television. The mass of the television is, of course, greater than 1 kg. Let me write it for you. The mass of the TV is greater than 1 kg. I want you to complete the rest, please. Problem solving. Han finds some bricks of the same mass in his backyard. He decided to weigh himself holding 1 brick first and then holding 2 bricks. Now, find the mass of 1 brick. He was holding 1 brick. It was 35 kg. Okay? He was holding 2 bricks. He was 38 kg. So, he added, how many kilogram he add when it is 2 bricks? It was like 3, right? When he added only 1 brick, it was 35. When he added 2 bricks, it was 38. So he added 3 kg. So this means that let me show you how. If the 2 blocks equals 3 kg. How did I know that they are equal 3 kg? Because I look here, when he hold only 1 block, it was 35. When he added 2 blocks, he equaled 38 kg. So both blocks equals, give me the difference between here and here is 3 kg. It means that 1 block is 150 kilogram. I hope this is clear. Find the mass of Han now. What do you think? What should you do to find the mass of Han? Now here we have to compare the masses, heavier and lighter. The potato is heavier than the pepper. The teddy bear is lighter than the toy robot. You write either heavier or lighter. Okay? You have to complete this with the other exercises. Now here, we have to complete the sentences to compare the masses of the objects on the balances. Now let's see. The rubber duck here, the rubber duck is the toy car, is lighter than the toy car. Now, the toy car, on the other hand, is lighter than the blocks. Okay, so the blocks are heavier. The rubber duck is, the blocks are the heaviest, and the rubber duck is the, you will tell me. You continue these, please, page 144 and the next page 145. And the last one is 146, okay? Later on, you have to arrange the masses from the lightest to the heaviest, okay? Arrange the masses from the lightest to the heaviest. You have can A, can B, and can C. You have the grams of each one. You have to write them from the lightest to the heaviest. Yani the smallest in number to the biggest in number. And that's it. I don't want you to do anything more. Thank you very much. If you have any question, please ask me. So we have to work till page 147, okay?